Clár Ceoil Greannmhar.
Bhí Jane I dteach Anya. Bhí siad sa chiste ag caint. Thosaigh siad ag spree le busca. Rinne siad telefíseán de. Chur Jane an busca a ceann. Thosaigh si ag canna go hord. Thosaigh Anya ag goire.
Ceistena. Ceiste héan. Cá raibh na cailíní. Ceiste dó. Céard a rinne siad leis an musca. Ceiste trí. Cá chur Jane an busca. Ceiste cethair. Céard a rinne Jane. Ceiste cúig. Céard a rinne Anya.
Clár Ceoil Greannmhar is a funny Clár Ceoil, a funny concert. Bhí Jane a jock Anya. Jane was in Anya's house. Bhí siad ag sa kitchen. They were in the kitchen talking. Thosaigh siad, they started ag spree, playing with boxes, or having fun with boxes. Rinne siad television de. They made a television of it. Jane put the box on her head. She started singing go hard. She started singing loudly. Thosaigh Anya ag goire. Anya started laughing.